What makes a truly professional battery? Hi everyone, I'm Kiki. Today we're unboxing the WattCycle 48V 100Ah 3U Server Rack LiFePO4 Battery to find out if it's really worth it. The packaging is super sturdy, no worries about damage during shipping. Let's check out what's inside. 1 user manual. 1 pre-shipment inspection report. 2 4AWG power lines. Communication network cable. Fixing screw and crimp terminal. Communication network cable, 2 handles. 1 yellow-green 2-color grounding cable for stacking brackets. Quite a full set of accessories. Here's the battery. It features a solid UL certified enclosure, made of full metal plus UL 94V0 fire-resistant ABS plus PC, which is both durable and safe. You'll find corrosion-resistant M8 terminals, LED indicators, power button, communication terminal, safety brake. The BMS will shut off the battery if current exceeds 110 amps. The BMS cuts off output, while the 125 amps breaker protects against catastrophic shorts. Super reliable and trustworthy. 17.7 by 17.4 by 5.2 inches, 96.5 pounds. Let's check the voltage. It reads 52.8 volt. Everything looks perfect. Built-in Bluetooth 5.0 module, paired with WattCycle's independently developed app for real-time monitoring of voltage, current, temperature, and SOC. Super easy battery management. EV-grade A+ LiFePO4 cells with smart BMS. Overcharge, overdischarge, overcurrent, short circuit low, and high temperature. Peace of mind guaranteed. Compatible with server racks and solar storage cabinets, saving space efficiently. Supports up to 16 units in parallel for easy capacity expansion up to 1600 Ah. 81.92 kWh. Wide inverter compatibility with most mainstream brands. Up to 100 amp charge or discharge rate for continuous high power use. Over 5,000 cycles, totaling 5.12 kWh capacity and up to 10 years lifespan. 3 times longer than lead-acid batteries. Perfectly matches PV systems with MPPT controller support. Triple communication modes ensure extra safety and system stability. Of course, the WattCycle 48V 100Ah also has more appealing features. The rack battery stacking system supports quick replacement. Any single battery can be replaced, even if it is damaged, and the replacement will not affect the operation. Optional wheel kit available for easier rack battery mobility. And it offers 2 stacking configurations, including cabinet placement. It is highly flexible for various application scenarios. Next, we'll connect the inverter to a real-world load and test its power handling capability. Connect the inverter, then connect the mobile phone. The charging is successful. It's perfect. With 5.12 kWh of storage, it's ideal for home backup, RVs, solar systems, off-grid setups, and even industrial applications. If you're looking for a truly professional server rack LiFePO4 battery, this WattCycle model is definitely worth considering. Got other battery tests you'd like to see? Drop your ideas in the comments.